Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Convert 330 mm Hg to ATM. Correct answer is to convert 330 mm Hg to ATM, we need to use the conversion factor between millimeters of mercury mmHg and atmospheres ATM. The conversion factor is 1 ATM equals 760 mmHg. Therefore, to convert 330 mmHg to ATM, we divide 330 by 760. 330 mmHg by 760 mmHg by ATM equal 0.4342 ATM. So 330 mmHg is equal to 0.4342 ATM when rounded to 4 decimal places.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.